rule on whether Dubai-based firm Al Ghurair should resume printing presidential ballot papers or if electoral body IEBC should issue the tender afresh as directed by the High Court. But as our political affairs reporter Moremi Mwangi now tells us, backroom consultations have reportedly already begun on the possibility of replacing Al Ghurair with one of the 5 companies under consideration if the IEBC loses the appeal.
With the race to State House already on the home stretch and the presidential campaigns at a fever pitch, the spotlight is yet again on the judiciary, as the Justice Erastus Githenji chaired 5-judge appellate court bench rules on whether Dubai-based firm Al Ghurair should print the August 8th presidential ballot papers. This is close to a fortnight after the High Court faulted electoral body IEBC for issuing the Al Ghurair tender without proper public participation.
It's mandatory. It is peremptory. It is not a matter in which any commission or any person for that matter, he is given the benefit of choosing what to do or not what to do.
Public participation is not envisaged under Article 10, read together with Article 227 in public procurement.
In the appeal already heard by the appellate bench, IEBC argues that public participation is not a precondition to direct procurement, adding that the High Court judgment which blocked Al Ghurair from printing presidential ballot papers but allowed the Dubai-based company to deliver ballots for the rest of the elective seats had effectively split the tender in open contravention of the Public Procurement Act.
Keeping it here.
But sources indicate that IEBC has received the approval of the National Treasury to pursue a specialized tender, which eliminates the cumbersome procurement procedures should the appellate court uphold the High Court verdict, in which case it has emerged IEBC is pursuing 5 alternative companies, namely South African-based Pearl Media, and Print and Renform, and the UK-based Toll Security and GI Solutions. Senior members of the NASA legal team intimated to KTN News that there are no plans to file a subsequent appeal at the Supreme Court, whichever way the judgment goes, but expressed objection to GI Solution over alleged connection with the Smith and Usman Printing Company, which was implicated in the infamous Chicken Gate scandal. Jubilee, on the other hand, is said to be opposed to Pearl Media over its alleged connection to NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga.
In the past, printing of papers used to start after the nomination. That was 21 days. We still have 19 days.
We have sufficient time to, in a way that accords to the principles of the Constitution, print and deliver these ballots across the country.
I don't think whether we can by law involve ourselves in the procurement process of ballot paper.
Now, while most parties in the suit are reportedly not keen to file a subsequent appeal before the Supreme Court, the appellate court verdict on the printing of presidential ballot papers will no doubt dictate IEBC's next move, less than 3 months to the August 8th polls. Moremi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.
Thanks for staying with us.